Are you ready to make money online? Stay tuned because in today's video, you can earn $10 for every review you share. You've heard that right. And we will show you how you can effortlessly set this up so by the end of this video, you'll essentially be a pro and on the way to financial independence. We know that videos involving several websites might be complicated and confusing, but stay with us because this video is especially for beginners who have never made money online. Follow all of the instructions in this video and you will be successful in no time. Before we go further into this video, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We will show you how to make money quickly in a few moments by presenting the best and most effective platforms. So if you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. With this new video, keep in mind that we release new content about making money online daily. So make sure to stay tuned whenever we release new content so you can be the first to try it out. Writing is one of the basic language skills along with reading, speaking, and listening. It's just one of the fundamental knowledge areas that everyone utilizes to live. What if we tell you that you can use this ability to earn cash online? Now you have probably encountered a few of these money-making strategies, some requiring prior experience or technical credentials, and for you to provide satisfactory writing. But don't worry because in this video, we'll show you an earning opportunity that even beginners can easily accomplish. Welcome to Capterra.com. This is the website that guides businesses, companies, and anyone who wants assistance in choosing software that perfectly suits your needs. Everyone from anywhere in the world can access this website to read reviews about different programs. They can also discover new operating systems and compare them with each other. Capterra is the best internet site that lets people select and review applications. They offer a very comprehensive resource of software-related search results. Individuals can confidently read through 1 million verified evaluations from real people, and it is 100% free to use. If users wish to, they can also take this quick quiz to create their very own software shortlist. This will also allow the website to give personalized suggestions, filter and compare results quickly, and save a list of the user's favorites on their dashboard. So how are you going to benefit from using Capterra? You're not exactly a business or company owner, nor are you looking for software that you can use. However, you know that Capterra.com is a massive website that provides real people's opinion. Your role would be to fulfill those demands by writing reviews they can publish on their website. All you have to do is form a short description of your chosen application, and then you'll have to answer a few questions and a very brief essay detailing your experiences and thoughts regarding these programs. But we'll talk more of that later. For now, you'll have to remember that you wouldn't have to pay anything because reviewing software will be entirely free. There would be no hidden investments or fees, and it is accessible to anyone all across the globe. All you need is yourself, a device of your choice, and a stable internet connection. Now the walkthrough may be a little long, but rest assured that it is extremely easy to follow. Make sure that you watch the video carefully until the last minute so you won't miss anything. Do you like this video? Don't be shy and hit the like and subscribe buttons, and if you find this video helpful and entertaining, share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Let's proceed now with discussing the review process. First, we want you to tick this tab right here that says Software Categories. From there, we'll show you a portion of their assortment of software groups. You can click on Browse All Categories and you'll be redirected to this page that presents all the programs you can review in Capterra. The website actually claims to have over 30,000 applications. Still, you can simply sort these alphabetically or by popularity for smoother browsing. We're pretty sure that with massive collection of software programs that Capterra provides, you'll be able to discover one you are familiar with. Feel free to explore as long as you want until you have the software you wish to review. As you can see, you can find Asana, Canvas, Project Center, Viber, Webex, and Zoom, along with many others in this extensive list. You can go on and on scrolling through all of them, but for now we'll pick one that we want to assess. Viber is a website that's quite popular with many people as it is used for communicating amongst each other, and we're sure we can leave a very good review for it. To begin reviewing a website, simply click on this button in the upper right that says Write a Review. It will take you to a new page where you can start writing your assessment and experiences using your chosen program. This process will not take up more than 5 minutes of your time, so let's begin. The first step is to sign up. You can do this by filling up the necessary information asked of you, for example, your first and last names and email address. You also need to state your job title, company name and size, and industry. Finally, how much time you have spent using the application. Otherwise, you can save time by simply signing up by using a Google or a LinkedIn account. To further increase your review's validity, we recommend entering computer software for your job industry. You can do this by toggling this arrow button by sifting through the variety of industries. Choosing the computer software commerce will prove that you are knowledgeable about this sector and that your review can be trusted. This will pave the way so you can write more of these reviews. And for the question of how long have you been using the software, we advise that you select 6 to 12 months option or the ones below that include more years. Since you've spent a lot of time utilizing the program, you'll automatically view as a trustworthy reviewer. The succeeding question is straightforward, so you won't have a hard time accomplishing it. Simply tick the box that says you are a user. Once you're done with the first page, you can select this button at the bottom of the page, saying next. You'll now move on to the second page. This is very simple because all you need to do is rate the software's features and services, just to be sure that you leave a positive rating. We recommend that you give 3 to 5 stars to each of these. You can proceed to the final page when you're done with this section. You can see that you'll need to type in a title. You can put something as simple as "My review on Viber." Or you can be as creative as you want. Then fill in the following questions, such as the things you like the most or features you like the least. What needs to be kept and what needs improvement? At last, give an overall summary of your experiences while using the software. Make sure to include as much specificity and details as you can because this will make your review much better. You can input what kind of problems or issues have been solved throughout the help of this application and how it suits you all throughout the time you were using it. You can now answer the last questions and finally, click that submit button. The review that you have written will now be up for consideration. Once it has been approved and published, you'll be able to earn that sweet cash that you've worked so hard for. That's all for now. Feel free to watch this video again to serve as your guide as you start to earn money online. What do you think about these websites? Does it seem like an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think I'll be able to replace primary income jobs in the future? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. If you love similar concepts like this, make sure to take a look at our other videos. If you like it, please hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated. We'll see you in the following video.